In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can report someone on Discord. Okay, so you can't actually do it from within the Discord app itself. So you will need to go onto a web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Safari. If you're on an iPhone, any web browser will do. So I'm on Google Chrome, and then you just want to go to support.discord.com. And I'll leave this website in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it, but tap on support.discord.com. And then once you're on this page, you can see next to the sign in button is 3 horizontal stripes. Tap on that. And then you want to tap on submit a request, and it says what can we help you with. You want to tap on that, and you want to tap on trust and safety, and you'll just have to fill this in. So enter in your email address and how can we help. You want to tap on report abuse or harassment, and then you would select what would you like to report, and I'll just for example say cyberbullying, and you'll just give them more details. Enter in a subject for this report, enter a description, and you can even add screenshots of the thing that you want to report, and then you will just have to submit that. And it's not visible on the screen, but if you go ahead and rotate your phone, you'll be able to scroll down and submit the report. So that is how you report someone on Discord. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.